Wait, nun.
I knew it.
Ito.
Big surprise.
Sino ko siya?
Rat. You were
Worship ko?
here in Manila. Why did you argue with me? But I had a feeling na.
You always have a gut feeling. Magpasalubong. And
Wow.
Mr. Reese told me you like to sleep always. That's why.
Oh my God, what are you gonna
Thank
say?
you, Miss June.
Wala man lang hug. Oh, thank you. You're so sweet, Miss Jules.
I miss you, Teacher June. Kailan ka pa dumating?